Hello guys, today I'm going to present to you not your regular BMW X5M LCI, because as you can see, this particular car has installed our street RevoZport dry carbon aero body kit. I'm saying aero body kit because we don't have a full replacement from bumper. We have accessories plus the bonnet and the other parts that I will present to you in this video and you will discover with us. We'll go part by part and present to you our old parts, which are OEM plus. And I'm gonna start with the bonnet, which is the biggest part of our body kit. The bonnet is not just designed to look aggressive and beautiful, but is also functional. As you can see, in the middle we have two vents that let the air, the hot air come out, and also will not leave you with puddles of water here. Because we care about details, on the bonnet, as you can see, we have a beautiful herringbone pattern on the dry carbon. We also have two separate carbon parts that you can choose to paint or to leave exposed as it is. You can configure your bonnet as you like, if you want it in the color of the car or if you want it like we have it here exposed. It's your personality, it's your choice. One of my most favorite parts of the body kit is the grille. As you can see, the grille is redesigned in a way that the car looks a lot more aggressive, and you will not see it especially from the front, but you will see it from the side. If you are coming this way, you can see how much they are pushed outside for a way better and more aggressive stance of the car. On the sides of the bumper, we have these huge carbon accessories that are coming over the stock vents. And you can see with this line that we continue the design that we have here on the grille. We didn't design the body kit just to be beautiful, but it's also comprehensive. Continuing the design of the side vents, we have the middle big vent that has been fitted with our two accessories that improve the design and also makes the car more aggressive, as I said. The centerpiece of the front accessories is, of course, the front lip. The front lip has three parts, one, two, and the other one on the other side. And you can also configure it as you like. You can do carbon on the middle and the color of the car on the sides, or the other way around. A very nice detail that we have, it's our logo in the middle of the lip. One detail that I really like about the front lip is this side fin that makes it look like a proper race car. To keep the overall aggressive design of the complete body kit, we also fitted on the side vents little carbon accessories that make the M logo stand out more. Of course, the most important part on the side of the car is the side skirt, which is not a replacement. We have the original side skirt here, but this is an add-on. In the back, we also have the RevoZport logo fitted for you. On the spoiler, although the design is subtle, it manages to improve the aggressiveness of the car. Being an add-on, like I told you, this is not the replacement of the original part. This is installed over the original part. Now the big guy in the back is the diffuser, which, as the front lip, has the same very nicely designed fins in the sides, and also in the middle we have this very muscular parts designed to make the car look more aggressive and the stance being more beautiful than the original stock car. In the middle, because we like details, we have the RevoZport logo in metal. As I told you, all the parts on this body kit are pre-peg autoclave dry carbon. We also use Toray filament, but not just the material is important for us. We also focus on OEM plus fitment. As you can see, we worked a lot to have tight gaps and very clean lines. This body kit is for people who want a premium look. Not too crazy, but not too soft. Clean design, strong presence, and aggressive stance. Prices, we don't talk about prices in this video. If you want the full body kit or just a few parts, contact us. We will help you choose the right setup.